done.
I'm Celine Yorin, 26 years old, from Camarines Sur, Philippines.
Sister. Punta ng book niya.
I'm Jovelyn Ortega Maro, 34 years old, from Isabela, Philippines.
Ang dami mong kay Sabrina.
Be used to with the audience.
Nice one.
Sa finals, 1,000 ang audience nyo.
Jovelyn Gallego, 29 years old, Palawan, Philippines.
Sorry.
And Mary Con Damalario, 36, from Davao, Philippines.
Jo, may ano pala sa kaya pala narinig.
I'm Linda Clark, 36 years old, from Leyte, Philippines.
Next turn din. You want to connect thunder, then you can do it.
Bring the action.
Anet Ravelo, 36, from Northern Philippines.
Good. Nice hip.
I'm Esperanza Quasay, 39 years old, Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. I'm Jocelyn Yorin, 26 years old, from Camarines Sur, Philippines.
Hey, you cannot do that on stage.
If you mistake, never mind, but don't worry.
Hi, I'm Jovelyn Ortega Maro, 34 years old, from Isabela, Philippines.
I'm Mary Con Damalario, 36, from Philippines.
Latifah Tuwendinan from Indonesia.
Mendang Yuli Astuti, 27 years old, from Indonesia.
Kulay ang book. Ay, dito.
Hi, I'm Trina Olarte, from General Santos City,